Hi, now we are entering the subtopic called the energy and conservation of energy. So in this topic, it concerns more about the conservation of energy. Okay, so here's first questions. An object of mass 2 kg is thrown vertically upwards with speed 10 meter per second. Determine its kinetic energy after it has reached a height of 4 meter if air resistance is neglected. Okay, so to solve this question, we use the principle of conservation of energy. Okay, so here is only the mechanical energy involved, which is the gravitational potential energy and kinetic energy. So to do this, we need to look at what is the initial energy and final energy. All right. So yeah, as you can see, yeah. So this is the initial part, and this is the final part. Okay. So we must detect. Yeah. For example, let us detect at the initial part what kind of energy involved, and also the final part what kind of energy involved. Yeah. So initially, what kind of energy it has? It say he's thrown vertically upwards with certain speed. Okay. Let us write down. This is the mass. This is the initial speed, and it has certain height. Okay, it's certain height. Now, okay. So initially, what kind of energy it has? Yeah, initially it has the kinetic energy. So initially it has kinetic energy. Okay, because it has certain speed. Now, after it goes upwards, finally it has what kind of energy? It certainly has gravitational potential energy, and also it still has kinetic energy. See, determine the kinetic energy after it reach, meaning that it also has the kinetic energy. Okay, so some part of the initial kinetic energy has turned to the gravitational potential energy. Okay, so let us use the conservation of energy to solve this problem. So initially we has the kinetic energy, so we don't have any potential energy, so it is 0, right? So just use the formula okay, half mu square initially has kinetic energy, and finally it has potential energy and kinetic. Okay, so that one is mgh, gravitational potential energy, and the final kinetic energy, half mv square. Okay. Oh, he just asked for the kinetic energy, right? He just asked for kinetic energy, doesn't ask for the final velocity. So that means we this one is simpler. No need to put the formula. We just put final kinetic energy. Okay. Then just substitute all the value. So we have all the mass already. The mass is 2 kilogram. The initial velocity is 10. And again, mgh, mass 2. G is 9.81. The height is 4 meter. So now find the final kinetic energy. So our final kinetic energy we get is 21.52 joule. Alright? That's our final kinetic energy. Okay? So this is about conservation of energy. Yeah. Okay, so see you in the second questions. Thank you. Bye.